Conquer the clauses. Mastering the use of correct relative pronouns. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our interactive English learning series. Today we are delving deeper into relative clauses, and more specifically, we'll tackle a common issue most learners face: misusing relative pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which pronoun to use and when. Let's get started. Relative pronouns are the backbone of relative clauses. They connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. The most commonly used relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. These words can replace subjects, objects, and show possession in your sentences. They're vital tools for creating smooth, complex sentences. Example: the woman, who is my neighbor, works in a bakery. Here, the relative pronoun, who, connects the main clause, the woman works in a bakery, with the relative clause, is my neighbor. A common mistake in using relative pronouns is not matching them correctly to their reference. This means that sometimes we use who when we should use which, that, instead of whom, and so on. To avoid these mistakes, remember: use who and whom for people. Use which for things. Use that for people or things in restrictive clauses, clauses that cannot be removed from the sentence without changing its meaning. Use whose to show possession. Let's look at some examples to clear things up. Incorrect. The man which helped me is my teacher. Correct. The man who helped me is my teacher. Incorrect. The book who is on the table is mine. Correct. The book that is on the table is mine. Incorrect. I talked to the woman that you recommended. Correct. I talked to the woman whom you recommended. Remember, practice is key in mastering the use of relative pronouns. There you have it, a guide to using the correct relative pronouns. It might seem tricky at first, but with consistent practice, you'll avoid these common pitfalls and improve your English grammar. Remember, the key to language learning is patience and practice. I hope you found this video helpful and will continue to enjoy our English language learning journey together. See you in the next video.